We're here today with Dale Evans, and Dale is an expert in the training of personnel that do a lot of work in the surf on these type of vessels, and he's going to explain to us today this new product. It's called the self-righting inflating device. Dale, could you explain this product to us?
The device was brought in because we work a lot in surf. It's a safety measure that we use on our vessel should something happen in the surf, that we do not cause too much damage to the vessel while the vessel being washed out on shore. So Camping and Boating then put this self-righting device onto our vessel, which consists out of two parts. You've got the cylinder, and then you've got the self-righting bag, which is then protected by another cover, which has then just got a Velcro strip to it. So that when it ignites, the Velcro strip then just comes apart and the bag will ignite.
What would ignite the bag?
This system is then filled up with hydrogen, okay, which is then goes through this release mechanism of it.
Right.
The mechanism has two releases to it. You first pull on this release,
Okay.
and then it's got another release rope to it that goes down to the bottom of the vessel, so that should the vessel capsize, it prevents the guy from then coming underneath the vessel and probably injuring himself by doing that. So you can just reach down, grab the rope, swim away from the boat, and then ignite the whole system. By doing that, the bag, the whole vessel, will then just self-right by itself.
Dale, this is a 6-meter rigid inflatable built by Buccaneer, but this is not your normal run-of-the-mill model that a man in the street would buy. Could you explain the outlay of this boat and what you use it for?
Okay, the boat itself can be bought by the normal guy in the street. The deck layout, each guy has his own different deck layouts. I laid out this deck for the purpose of surf work. Of course, I need my weight more in the front than what I do at the back. So I've designed the straddle benches in which we can have the guy sitting on. It's much more comfortable than sitting on a tube. We don't have to have foot straps in it, we don't have to have extra rails put onto it. So we have 4 guys sitting in the front there.
So 2 on each straddle seat
2
there.
on each straddle bench there.
All right.
And we have 2 sitting in the front here.
All right.
And then we have the 2 guys on each side of the console.
So
With the coxswain behind the helm, and then I stand next to him guiding him through the systems.
So this boat is built specifically, and you designed this deck specifically for training.
Specifically for training.
Dale, could you explain this console to us and all the equipment that you've installed in here?
Where the console is concerned is we wanted a console in which we can place 2 guys behind it. The guy handling the vessel, the coxswain, stands behind the helm, and you've got me on this side, which then can aid him, plus use the navigational side of this console, which is especially been designed like this so that we can place our radios, GPSs and everything else onto this side of it.
Dale, with this whole design and for your methods, how do you find the handling of this boat in the surf conditions and training conditions?
Actually, we've tested numerous boats to surf and out on the open sea. Various Buccaneer Inflatables we've tested as well. And up to date, I still have to find a boat that is better handled than this one.
There we go, another 2 quality products from Buccaneer Inflatables.